Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Alexander Nyako. You can just call me SRC. Now today's content is a very sad one. Tragedy has befallen upon us in Ghana once again. This Wednesday, the 6th of August, we are hearing news of the demise of two of our ministers. That is the Minister of Defense, Minister Omane Boama, and the Minister of Environment, Honorable Murtala Mohammed. And not only the two of them, but also other three crew members and three other members that accompanied them. They were basically leaving Accra to Kumasi for a program which was basically to eradicate mining activities. And then when they got to Shanti region, unfortunately, the Z9 helicopter had to crash and there was no survivor. Now, this news was so shocking. I first got to know on YouTube. My notifications are always on, so I got an alert and then I quickly had to run to X to further confirm what was going on. And this was indeed a very big blow. Recognize that in Ghana, we are already mourning the demise of one of our iconic artists, which is Daddy Lumba, and we are not even done yet. And then now we have this tragedy also. It's a very, very sad one. So this helicopter had 8 members, 3 being the crew members and 5 being other dignitaries. And unfortunately, there were no evidence of survival. In today's video, one of the crew members who happened to be the squadron leader was a Continental. He's an alumni of KNUST and was part of Unity Hall. And today, Unity Hall have decided to actually eulogize Continental Pierro. That was how they referred to him, as Continental Pierro. And so today's video, I'm going to show you what the student body are planning to do for him. Now, when this news broke out, this was how Unity Hall reacted for the first time on X. Now, they say our beloved brother Continental Pierro was one of the 8 people who sadly perished in yesterday's helicopter crash in Adanse Ekrofrom. As we grieve this heartbreaking loss, let every Continental hold our brother close in prayer and reflection. Rest well. Now today, Unity Hall is organizing a vigil night for all lost souls. And in fact, in preparation towards that, they've decided to lower their flags halfway. And this was a video that they dropped. Now, from this video, the only issue had to be with whoever played the trumpet, because people were saying that be like the trumpet, he could have done it better. I'm not an expert, but when we listen to it, Charlie, you need to with the bag. Make you do everything solid with the bag. Yeah. So anyway, yes, it's a sad news that has befallen upon us. Ghana goes black. My condolences to the family once again. And guys, let's be safe out there. So we meet again. Bye for now.